something. What do you know about Wakanda?
It's a third world country. Textiles, shepherds, cool outfits.
All front. Explorers have searched for it. Called it El Dorado. They looked for it in South America. But it was in Africa the whole time. I'm the only one who's seen it. And made it out alive.
So what was your reaction to that, honey?
I'm ready to watch it. Like it's gonna be cold.
I didn't even know they had a black DC comic character.
I didn't either. The only time I recognized or really paid attention to him was like the last movie.
That's gonna be good.
And that was the Captain America versus, was it Captain America versus something? I don't know. Or it was a Civil War movie, one of them. And I seen him in there.
Oh, that look like it's gonna be a good movie, y'all.
Very good movie.
I like the costume, that's for sure. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a lot of Black Panther costumes this Halloween. So, like I said, I didn't know they had a black DC comic, and I love DC comic characters. So,
yeah, we just seen Wonder Woman.
Yeah, it's not a Wonder Woman review, but I hope it's better than Wonder Woman, because Wonder Woman was out of the galaxy bad. So,
I'm pretty sure it is. Every movie seems like they elevate with every movie they do. It seems like it's just
gets better and better.
The level of excellence.
So hopefully, it looks good. I will be there. Hopefully opening night. It depends.
Right.
Yeah, hopefully opening night, as long as nothing else is going on. We generally don't like to go to movies opening night though, because
Be so packed.
it's so packed and too many people.
We have assigned seating here.
Yeah, nowadays, the movies are giving you assigned seating, and it's just too many people in the theater talking. Like, to me, that would be something I want to go see when it comes out, but I may wait just for it to die down a little bit.
No, because that opening night, that's where they make their money. A lot of
that's
money,
true.
so you
they do
definitely
make
want
money.
to
So
support
if you're
it.
trying to support, if you're trying to support the film, go out the opening night. That's true.
Matter of fact, the guy who's in there is a good actor anyway. He was in 21. He played James Brown. And think about it, from a character that goes from Jackie Robinson to James Brown and do it well.
He's very talented.
Yeah.
Huh? I recognize him. I just don't remember what I recognized him from.
Yeah, that's probably what
Did
it
I
was.
see James Brown?
You probably seen that in the movie 21.
Did I see 21 with you?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, okay. Well, then that's what. We watch so many movies, I forget.
Right.
But yeah, it definitely looked cold-blooded. Cold-blooded.
Yeah.
So we cannot wait to see it. It looked like pretty much an all-black cast. I mean, for the most part, except for the guy that was laughing hysterically and crazily in the chair. What's he talking about? I can see you through the screen.
Yeah.
He said, I can see you through the glass that is only a one-way visual.
Right.
I think he's a little bit deranged. he had to have been a little bit crazy in order to escape. He's the only one who saw the place and escaped.
The only one.
So he must be bad. He must be bad. He must be a contender. Escape. Yes.
Because the cast is in there, like, man, I can't wait to see it.
I can't wait to see the fight between him and whoever was trying to kill him to keep him from escaping. That's what I want to see in the movie. How did he escape? That's going to be something to look forward to seeing. Right. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to Tiffany's. I have lots of vlogs here, family vlogs, natural hair, flute tutorials, cooking. We have a lot of variety here. So, just check us out. And thanks again.